Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a common issue that can frustrate any TV watcher, the dreaded Insignia TV black screen. If you found yourself bewildered by a TV that only shows darkness, you're in the right place. In this guide, we're going to break down a step-by-step process on how to fix the Insignia TV black screen problem and get you back to your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Check the power supply. The first step in addressing the Insignia TV black screen issue is to ensure that your TV is receiving power. Double check that the power cable is firmly connected to both the TV and the power outlet. Consider trying a different outlet or testing the outlet with another device to confirm it's working correctly. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most overlooked one. Step 2. Inspect the remote control. Now let's turn our attention to the remote control. A faulty remote could mean your TV isn't turning on properly. Replace the batteries in the remote and make sure there are no obstructions between the remote and the TV. You can also try using the power button on the TV itself to rule out remote-related issues. Step 3. Confirm input source selection. The next thing we need to check is your TV's input source. An incorrect input source can give the appearance of an Insignia TV black screen. Use the TV remote to navigate to the input or source button and cycle through the available inputs. Make sure your external device, whether it's a cable box or streaming device, is turned on and correctly connected. Step 4. Assess HDMI connections. Loose or damaged HDMI connections can also lead to a black screen. Disconnect and then securely reconnect each HDMI cable to ensure they're properly seated. If the issue persists, try using a different HDMI cable or connecting the device to another HDMI port on your TV. These simple troubleshooting steps often reveal where the issue lies. Step 5. Test with a different device. If you suspect the problem is with your TV itself, try connecting a different device. A game console, another cable box, or a Blu-ray player will suffice. If the second device displays properly, the issue may reside with the original device or its cables. Step 6. Perform a soft reset. For further troubleshooting, try performing a soft reset on your Insignia TV. Unplug the TV from the wall, wait about 1 minute, and then plug it back in. This process can resolve temporary glitches causing the Insignia TV black screen. Step 7. Update the TV firmware. Sometimes an outdated firmware can result in performance issues, including a black screen. Check for any available firmware updates via the Insignia website or through the support menu on your TV. Follow the instructions provided by Insignia to install the update. Step 8. Reach out for professional support. If none of the above steps solve the Insignia TV black screen issue, it may be time to seek professional support. Contact Insignia customer service or reach out to a trusted local technician for further assistance. Describe the steps you've undertaken, as this information can help technicians diagnose the problem more efficiently. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be well equipped to resolve the Insignia TV black screen issue. Remember, check the power supply, inspect your remote and connections, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional support if needed. We hope this guide has been helpful. Good luck and happy viewing.